wiScan contains some of well-known protocols that are being widely used globally. For emergency and critical care doctors, offering them such a function can increase their working efficiency. To turn on wiScan, tap wiScan on the bottom side of your touchscreen. Then you can see the protocol and the sections contained in this protocol are being shown on the right-hand side of your touchscreen. For now, we have 5 protocols: eFast for trauma evaluation, RUSH for shock evaluation, BLUE for lung evaluation, etc. Choose the protocol you want to scan. I'll take eFast as an example. You can see all the sections contained in this protocol and their imaging mode on the right-hand side of your touchscreen. There's a line of blue tips showing on the bottom of your screen. Update, start a section. From now on, all you have to do is following the tip. Update, there's a notice appearing in the middle of the screen which says, "Please insert the probe needed for the current section." It only shows when you don't insert the proper probe. If you have inserted it, this notice won't appear. If you don't have that probe, you can choose Use Current Probe. Or if you have that probe, you can choose Attach Probe. The system will wait for you to insert the needed probe and go on scanning. For example, I'll insert C6-1-H now. As you can see, after I have inserted the probe, the notice disappears. Now, doctors can do the scanning. The wiScan notices you to freeze the image when you finish scanning and then save the image to start the next section. You just need to follow the above steps one by one to finish the whole protocol. If you don't want to scan some of the sections in the protocol, you can double tap the next section you want to scan, and the section in between will be skipped. There's also a small circle on the left which is used to show if the section has been scanned. After scanning one of the sections, the circle will turn to a tick like this. And the section which is being scanned right now also has a unique symbol like this. After all sections has been scanned, a tip says all section finish will appear on the bottom of the screen.